Well, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got some tune-up stuff for the Echo SRM 2100. Not sponsored, but hey, if you guys are looking for someone to sponsor, give me a shout. Now let's get to it. Start by doing the air filter. I'd say that's pretty dirty for original filter that no one did. Versus, oh, a nice shiny clean one. Like this. Pretty clean. Now for the spark plug. Spark plug for this is a 3/4 inch spark plug socket or regular ratchet. Oh, would you look at that? If you can read it or not. It is a wrong spark plug for it. It's supposed to be a BPMR7Y, and this is a Champion RCJ8Y. And I believe this has to be gapped, so I gotta look at my book real quick for the gapping. So, be back in a minute. Alrighty, so I looked at my parts book for this. For this spark plug, it's supposed to be gapped. This is a gapping tool for a spark plug for people that don't know. And this is supposed to be gapped at 26. I ran it through already. There's 25. And a little mark after that's 26. So it's gapped properly, ready to be put back in. And this don't have to be super tight, just snug so it won't fall out. Just like that, you're done. Put your spark plug cap back on. Next thing to do is the fuel filter. So that's going to be a chore. So let's see if I can get it done. fishing. Maybe I can just put my finger in there. Maybe. No. Pair of needle nose pliers. Be careful while doing it. There's the old filter. A little dirty, a little icky. Quite a bit of difference in there, but let's do it up. Safety clamp on the hose to the filters back on. Now it's time to send this little guy back in. There she goes. And the fuel cap back on. And that's how you do a tune-up kit on an Echo SRM 2100 series Echo.